Stained glass are used for decorating walls of churches and palaces in the medieval period in Europe. In India, especially in Christian religion nowadays, it became popular to adorn on ceiling and upper walls of churches, decorating the aesthetic work of stained glass of saints and the religion symbols, and also depicting the scene from the Bible. For working on stained glass, you need a type of tools that cutting, grinding, mintering, soldering, and mounting the work on the structure. For this, glass cutter, breaking pliers, soldering accessories like copper foil, lead game, solders, soldering irons, flexes, patina, grinders, ceramic colors, grinding heads, and a machine like fusing kin, grinder machine, and many other tools that eases your work on stained glass. We accumulate and distribute all these tools from world over and getting you at an affordable price and guarantee. And we serve you at the level best.